स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar. So in this video we will discuss government jobs for law graduates and how a law graduate can be placed in a government sector. Friends, for becoming law graduate you need to get admission in law college. For getting admission in law college you need to give law entrance examination. Like if you are in a state of Maharashtra, then you need to give Maharashtra law CET examination for 3 years or 5 years. And if you are targeting top national law university, then you need to give common law admission test, that is CLAT. Entrance exam is most important thing for becoming law graduate. Manwar has launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance examination. So all the details about law examination we will put in this particular channel. So link of this particular channel, it is given into the description box. Do check the description box and subscribe to this channel also. So first job is of judge. So for that you need to give judicial service examination, and this particular examination is of 3-stage examination, that is prelims, mains and after that interview. So with that you can be judge in a higher judicial service and lower judicial service. Like if you are in a higher judicial service, then you can be a judge in a district court, and if you are in a lower judicial service, then you can be a judge in a civil court. Now friends, this particular examination has age eligibility criteria which is of 21 years to 35 years maximum. After doing LLB, you can give this examination and you can be a judge. And the salary package of a judge is also very good. And apart from salary package, government is also paying certain allowances to the judge. Now friends, the second job is professor in government law college. For that, you need to have masters in law, that is LLM, and along with LLM, you need to have NET or SET. NET examination is National Eligibility Test, which is conducted by National Testing Agency. In this, 2 papers are there. One paper is teaching aptitude and second will be your law subject. Similarly, state eligibility test, that is SET, it is conducted by state government. After clearing this, you are eligible to apply for professorship in the law college. And if I talk about salary package for professor, so it is 5.50 lakh per annum, highest it is, and average will be 4.30 and lowest will be 3.0 lakh per annum for a professor in the law college. Now third job is IBPS SO, that is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, conducts examination for specialist officer like IT, engineering. So similarly they also conduct examination for law officer. So this particular job is perfect job. Those law graduate who want to work in banks as a law officer, they plays important part in the bank. They deal with various legal associated work. If you want to apply for IBPS SO exam as a law officer, then the eligibility criteria, your age minimum should be 20 and maximum should be 30. Second eligibility criteria is that you should be bachelor in law, you should enroll as an advocate in the Bar Council of India. If I talk about examination pattern, it is in the 3-stage, that is prelims, mains and interview. And if I talk about salary package of law officer, so at officer scale 1, your salary will be 4.40 lakh per annum, and officer scale 2, your salary will be 5.80, officer scale 3, your salary will be 7.70. Friends, this scale, that is scale 1, scale 2 or scale 3, it is totally dependent upon how much your experience is there, how much years of service you have. On the basis of that, you will be promoted from officer scale 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and according to that your salary package will be decided. Now the fourth job is judge advocate journal. A law student can get directly entry into the Indian Army, and for applying this job you need to go on website of Indian Army, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in, and you need to fill this particular examination form. Friends, for applying this job, you need to have eligibility, like your age should be not more than 27 years, and second, you should have bachelor degree in law, and your college and your university should be registered under Bar Council of India. If I talk about salary, then in this you will get stipend for cadet training. It is around 6.70 lakh per annum. Friends, इसके अलावा आपको बहुत सारे अलाउंसेस मिलते हैं, दैट इज ट्रेनिंग अलाउंसेस है, पैरा अलाउंसेस है, देयर आर वेरियस अलाउंसेस यू विल गेट in this job. Now the fifth job is civil services job, that is IAS, IPS, IFS and many more. This particular exam, it has been conducted by Union Public Service Commission. In this exam also a law graduate can apply with a law as a optional subject and they can get a job in civil services. And if I talk about salary package of IAS, IPS, IFS officers, so highest salary package they will get 30 lakh per annum and lowest will be 6.70 lakh per annum. Friends, the lowest salary it is in the beginning, and as your service years increases, so your salary also increases. Now the sixth job is RBI grade B legal officer job. Every year this particular exam it has been conducted by RBI. Legal officer work as a legal drafting, consulting and representative of RBI in the court. If I talk about eligibility criteria, then you should have bachelor degree in law and 50% marks in the law graduation, and your college or university should be recognized by UGC and Bar Council of India, and you should have 2 years of experience as an advocate or legal assistant, legal consultant, or you should be a teacher in law college. You all can apply. If I talk about salary package, so highest salary 10.80 lakh per annum. So friends, this is salary package, it is included with allowances. Now seventh job is of SEBI. SEBI is India's regulatory body of security market. SEBI conducts SEBI grade A legal officer exam. The legal officer of SEBI, they mainly work for stock exchange by law. And if I talk about examination pattern of SEBI grade A exam, so it has 2 phases, and after that there will be interview. So in phase 1 there is a paper 1 and 2, in phase 2 also there is paper 1 and 2, and after that there will be interview. And if I talk about salary package of SEBI grade A legal officer, so highest salary they will get 17 lakh per annum. So this is also a very good job opportunity for law graduates. Now the 8th is PSU, that is public sector undertaking. Public sector undertaking like Indian Oil, NTPC, BHEL, ONGC, they need legal officer, and these candidates, it has been selected by CLAT PG examination. Those candidates who are having high ranks in CLAT PG examination, they will be recruited in PSU through extensive interview. And this particular job is stable and secure with good salary package. Now 9th job is of public prosecutor. So if any case file against state, so state appoints a legal representative, that is public prosecutor. So for this job you need to have 7 years of experience as an advocate, and your age should be minimum 35 to maximum 45 years. And UPSC conduct this particular examination. Every state has their own public prosecutor, that is state legal representative. They are having posts like APP, that is assistant public prosecutor, ADPO, assistant district prosecution officer. If I talk about salary package of public prosecutor, so highest is 6 lakh per annum. For applying these government jobs, you should be a law graduate, and it does not matter if you have done law 3 years or 5 years. You can apply for these government examination and you can get these government job. Friends, if your dream is to become a law graduate and if you want to work as a law officer or legal officer, for that you need to get admission in law college. And for getting admission into the law college, you need to give law entrance examination. For the preparation of law entrance examination, you can join our online program. You can order books, mock test, sectional course, full course. You can also attend live lecture. For online program, you can call on our board line number 8828581455. You can also visit to our website manvaredu.com/law entrance. We have classroom preparation at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Dadar, Vasai. Friends, this is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.